पेरेंटिंग नबीला हारिस 29 नवंबर 2020। अच्छा जी, पेरेंटिंग के बारे में नबीला हारिस कहती हैं कि पेरेंटिंग नर्चरिंग अपब्रिंगिंग ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, breaking myths, re-examining norms and building relationships. Purpose: it's a paradigm shift from बच्चे तो पल ही जाते हैं to it is the most important job in the world. Look around, what do you see? A society brimming with psychological and emotional problems, crying for help. Individuals making up the society were all once children. Most of us were raised by parents who loved us and wanted the best for us. What went wrong? What went wrong? What is society? Individual, family unit, community, society. Individual, family unit, community, society. Purpose of family unit. Purpose of a family unit. Primary relationship between spouses. अल्लाह ने तुम्हारी जिन से तुम्हारे जोड़े पैदा कर दिए हैं, औरत के लिए मर्द और मर्द के लिए औरत। जोड़ा बनाने से मकसद ये है कि तुम्हें उनसे आराम और सुकून मिले। इसके लिए उसने तुम दोनों में मोहब्बत और हमदर्दी के जज्बात पैदा कर दिए हैं। नंबर 2, सेव योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स। अपने आप को और अपने अहलो अयाल को जहन्नुम की तबाही से बचाओ। पेरेंटिंग चिल्ड्रन, ऐ हमारे परवरदिगार, हमें मियाँ बीवी को और हमारी औलाद को ऐसा बना दे कि ये सब हमारी आँखों की ठंडक बन जाए। कुरान प्लेसेस अ हाई वैल्यू ऑन फैमिली लाइफ। हार्मनी इन आइडियोलॉजी, quality of spouse relationship, home environment, definition of normal for the growing child, peace and harmony extended to society. The ultimate goal of parenting in the light of Quran. Shape the future of society by raising individuals who willingly and wholeheartedly choose to follow the teachings of Quran. Strive to implement the Quranic system. ये जन्नती माशरा इस दुनिया में भी कायम होगा। उस माशरे में घर के बुज़ुर्ग और ख़ुद सब कवानीन खुदाबंदी के रंग में रंगे होंगे और हैवानी सतह से बुलंद होकर इंसानी सतह पर ज़िंदगी बसर करेंगे। ये इंसानी सतह पर ज़िंदगी बसर करने का तकाज़ा है। हमने इंसान से ताकीदन कहा है कि वो अपने माँ बाप से हुस्न सलूक से पेश आए। हैवानात में माँ बाप बच्चे की जो परवरिश तो करते हैं, लेकिन बच्चा बड़ा होकर अपने माँ बाप को पहचानता तक नहीं। इसीलिए इंसान से ये कहना पड़ा कि वो हवानी सतह से बुलंद होकर इंसानी सतह पर ज़िंदगी बसर करे, जिसका एक तकाज़ा ये भी है कि अपने माँ बाप से हुस्न सलूक से पेश आएँ। इसकी माँ ने हमल और फिर वाज़े हमल की तकलीफ़ को बर्दाश्त किया और उसे पालने के सिलसिले में दिन का चैन और रात की नींद अपने ऊपर हराम कर ली, और ये कोई एक आधे दिन की बात नहीं थी। हमल और दूध पिलाने का अरसा कम से कम 30 माह में जाकर पूरा होता। इस जन्नती घराने का बच्चा जब इस तरह परवरिश पाकर सन बलूगत को पहुंच जाता है और फिर अक़ल और तजर्बे का पुख्तगी के बाद 40 बरस का हो जाता है, तो कहता है कि ए मेरे नशोनुमा देने वाले, तू मुझे इस बात को तौफीक अता फरमा कि मैं अपने आप पर ऐसा ज़ब्त और कंट्रोल रखूं कि जिन नेमतों से तूने मुझे और मेरे वालदैन को नवाजा है मैं उन्हें सही मसरफ़ में इस्तेमाल करूं और तेरी तजवीज़ करदा प्रोग्राम के मुताबिक सलाहियत बख्श काम करूं और मैं अपनी औलाद की सही तरबियत कर सकूं जिससे वो भी सलाहियत बख्श काम कर सकने के काबिल हो जाए। मैं हर मामले के फ़ैसले के लिए तेरे कवानीन की तरफ रुजू करता हूँ और जो फ़ैसला वहाँ से मिले उसके सामने सर तस्लीम खम करता हूँ। The most important job in the world is taken up without any training at all. Things which matter most must never be at the mercy of things which matter least. Both. Things which matter most must never be at the mercy of things which matter least. The most important job in the world is taken up without any training at all. Assumptions about parenting. A set of strategies and techniques to discipline children, impose restrictions, control child's external behavior, minimize fuss and mess, minimize disturbances. Assumption about parenting. अच्छा जी, norms in parenting, unconscious malpractices, damages done unknowingly out of love and best intention. Norms in parenting, unconscious malpractices, damages done unknowingly out of love and best intention. Respect. Imagine a scenario: you are at a social gathering and someone spills a colored drink on your dress. As soon as it happens, the person responsible is extremely embarrassed, starts apologizing profusely, and tries to help clean it up. What is your reaction? Your res- you respond with courtesy and try to ease the guilt and put the person out of misery and say it's okay, it's just a dress, it's just a mistake, it can be cleaned. If the person is an elderly, you feel really bad taking apologies from an older person and try your best to assure that person that it is okay. What if that person is your own child? Why is respect reserved for elders? हमने तमाम इंसानी बच्चों को यकसा तौर पर इज्जत के काबिल बनाया है. ओल्डर एंड एल्डर क्राइटेरिया फॉर रिस्पेक्ट. We do not extend them the same courtesy as adults. We probably do not even consider them as human beings. We give them respect conditionally. The hidden disrespect, discounting their emotions, making fun of them, tease and poke them to see how they respond, treat them as toys for our entertainment, playing with their emotions and fears, tricking them. Reality check. Ask yourself this question and do it often. What if the child treated you the same way as you are treating him right now? A question of obedience. Stanley Milgram's experiment on obedience, a classic study in psychology. Milgram 1963 was interested in researching how far people would go in obeying an instruction if it involved harming another person. Ordinary people are likely to follow orders given by an authority figure even to the extent of killing an innocent human being. Obedience to authority is ingrained in us, all from the way we are brought up. People tend to obey orders from other people if they recognize their authority as morally right and or legally based. This response to legitimate authority is learned in a variety of situations, for example, in the family, school, and workplace. A question of obedience. Quran asks us to treat our parents with respect and kindness, but obedience is reserved for Allah only. Parents pride themselves on raising obedient children. Do as I say. Are you always right just because you are older, taller, stronger? Long term impact of obedience. Quran asks us to treat our parents with respect and kindness, but obedience is reserved for Allah only. Blind following, critical thinking disabled, questioning authority is out of question, submissive, people pleaser, the myth of misbehavior. Children are not trying to offend you by throwing a toy, breaking a toy, tearing paper, ruining cosmetics, painting or drawing on the wall, crying and refusing to eat, having a tantrum. Children only behave or act to meet their own needs. Name, calling, labeling. Allah has specifically forbidden us from making fun of other people and name calling. She's just a drama queen, always looking for attention. He is a little slow. She destroys everything. Good, bad, shy, talkative, hyper, fear, dark skin, strong headed, stubborn, arrogant, short tempered, picky eater. The list goes on. Name calling, labeling. We are teaching our own children the art of criticism. Unconsciously, the child tries to live up to the label we give him. Comparisons. My first one was an angel, but this one is really naughty. Look at the other children, they are eating quietly without fuss. Your sister understands math easily. Why can't you? His friend is the same age but taller. Punishment, rewards, and praise. Manipulating human decision making with fear, guilt, or greed. What is wrong with praise? Loving conditionally. Threat of withdrawing love. Instilling jealousy. What to do differently? Where to begin? What to do differently? Where to begin? Be your true self at all times. Be your true self at all times. You cannot hide your true self from your children. If you don't like what you see, change yourself. If you don't like what you see, change yourself. Parenting is equal to role modeling. Is not what you say, it's what you do. You cannot not model. It is impossible. People will see your example, positive or negative, as a pattern for the way life is to be lived. Stephen R. Covey. Begin with changing yourself, a paradigm shift. Change begins from within, Quranic principle. Transforming ourselves and keeping the focus on our own self. Transforming ourselves and keeping the focus on our own self. Build relationship. If there is no connection, there is no influence. Basic ingredients. Preserve your child's sense of self-worth with respect, unconditional love, acceptance. Use proper communication skills to build a strong relationship. Identifying and avoiding 12 roadblocks. Active listening. I messages. No lose method of conflict resolution. Book Parent Effective Training PET by Dr. Thomas Gordon. Respect. No matter what. Respect. No matter what. When your child is angry, when your child is frustrated, when your child is irritated, when your child is loud, when your child's behavior is unacceptable to you, taking offense is a choice. We may be hurt, but there is a big difference between being hurt and taking offense. Stephen R. Covey, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective Families. Unconditional love. Love is an activity, not a passive effect. Love is an activity, not a passive effect. Primarily giving, not receiving. Elements of love: care, respect, responsibility, and knowledge. The value of expressing spontaneous affection. Book The Art of Loving by Eric Fromm. Acceptance. Do not intervene. Pay attention. Eye contact at eye level. The right communication skills. Identify and avoid the 12 roadblocks. Ordering, warning, moralizing, advising, using logic, criticizing, praising, labeling, analyzing, reassuring, questioning, avoiding. Book Parent Effectiveness Training PET by Thomas Gordon. The Right Listening Skills. Becoming a Faithful Translator, Stephen R. Covey. Active Listening. The Right Listening Skills. Becoming a Faithful Translator, Stephen R. Covey. Active Listening. When there are conflicts, a learning experience in communicating conflicting needs and resolving problems. Choice of words. Work as a team. Remember, there is no single effort more radical in its potential for saving the world than a transformation of the way we raise our children. Marianne Williamson. There is no single effort more radical in its potential for saving the world than a transformation of the way we raise our children. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Parenting Nabila Haris. Thank you.